Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Chaplin, Saskatchewan, a small prairie town known for its wide open skies and unique landscape. Chaplin was named after a railway official, Charles Chaplin, around the time the railway was expanding westward. The town began to grow in the early 1900s when settlers arrived to farm the land and take advantage of the railway connection. One of the most interesting things about Chaplin is the nearby Chaplin Lake, a huge saltwater lake that's part of a major migratory bird route. In fact, the area is known for its bird watching, especially for spotting rare shorebirds. Salt harvesting from the lake has also played an important role in the local economy for many years. You'll see grain elevators, quiet streets, and the beautiful simplicity of Saskatchewan's open country. It's a great place to stop, stretch your legs, and take in the scenery. Whether you're a bird lover, a road tripper, or just curious, Chaplin offers something a little different on the prairie. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Chaplin, Saskatchewan. Thanks for watching.